Maayong buntag mga kapaglaom, welcome to Health Bits. Watermelon is more than 90% water, but it is loaded with nutrients. Watermelon fruit is a good source of copper, iron, magnesium, and potassium, as well as vitamins A and C. This array of nutrients indicates that watermelon is good for the bones, the heart, blood vessels, the nerves, and the immune system. The minerals present in watermelon control the electrical activity of the heart. To mention, the potassium in watermelon is a vasodilator that stimulates the increase of blood flow and reduces the stress on the vascular system. As the potassium participates in the regulation of heart rates and blood pressure, it will likewise protect the heart against stroke and coronary heart disease. Next time you want to quench your thirst and at the same time load your hearts with vitamins and minerals and electrolytes, serve yourself with a slice of refreshing red watermelon. Fresh watermelon should be eaten as it is to savor its natural sweetness. Take note, people with kidney problems, especially on dialysis, should not eat too much of watermelon. This is Miss Laila reminding you, blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Be healthy. It's a wise choice.
Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon would like to thank Mr. and Mrs. Ephraim Asenas.